You know, our body is just one whole big thing of nerves. I mean, so somebody says, boy, you've got a nerve. Yes, you do. Got a lot of them. Dr. Spencer, how are you?
I'm doing great.
Well, today we're talking about how our nerves and the skeletal system can really create some problems when it comes to headaches.
That's right. Headaches are a very common problem in our society today, and there's so many different types of headaches. And one thing I know for sure is that chiropractic helps headaches. So if you're sitting at home with a headache today, you didn't go to work or whatever, give us a call. If you're having headaches several times a week and you think that's normal, I'm here to tell you it's not.
I wouldn't think so.
It's not normal, but you know what? I ask people all the time, do you have headaches? And they say, well, just the normal ones. And I'm like, well, how many times a week is that?
Yeah, exactly.
And I'm surprised that people think it's normal to live with headaches 3 and 4 times a week, and that they're debilitated and laying in bed even.
And people that get those migraines, I mean, that's really bad.
Yeah.
I mean, that's really bad.
So I'm going to tell you today a little bit about how we can help some headaches and some things that cause those. And, you know, a lot of people don't think about chiropractic for headaches because they think about us for lower back pain and sciatic nerve pain and different things like that. A lot of times they don't even know we treat neck pain. But
oh, I know too well you do that.
That's right.
And a very good job of it too.
But I'm going to show you on my nerve chart.
Okay.
You know how I like to refer to it. But you have some delicate nerves that come out of your neck and go up into your head right here. And when those are irritated, compressed, choked, whatever word you want to use, they can cause some headaches. And you see this little nerve right here coming out, going up into the shoulder. A lot of times people have tension and stress in their shoulders.
That's the brachial nerve.
Yeah. A lot of times people have tension and stress in their shoulders, and their shoulders are really, really tight. And they get what's called those tension headaches, because the tension in the nerves, the tension squeezes the muscles so hard that it's going to squeeze those nerves and activate or trigger a headache. And a lot of times people are diagnosed with migraines and they actually have those tension headaches. And when we can reduce the tension in the muscles.
And those are the ones that the tension head come right back up through here, right?
Yep. They can start out in the shoulders through here, come all the way up, go up into the occipital area. So those are like the tension type headaches.
Right.
And you know, usually you lay down a few minutes and you know, those will kind of ease on off. But what do you do if you're waking up with a headache and you have a headache every day, and you know, you've had your blood pressure checked and so on and so forth.
And I know a lot of people try to hide it, whatever, and solve the problem with medication.
Right, and you know
that doesn't help you at all.
No, it just gives you some temporary relief, and then when it wears off, your headache's right back again. Well, in chiropractic, what we do for a patient is, as we examine them, you know, we go through different things that can cause headaches. And so we do a thorough examination of their spine and nerve system to see where they have gentle misalignments in their spine that could be putting some pressure on these pain-generating nerves that are causing them to have headaches. And you know what patients say to me, Jim?
What?
I don't know why I waited so long to come in here. I don't know why I was putting up with those headaches like I was, because my life has changed so much now that I don't have those headaches. I'm free to, you know, go hang out with my friends or do things after work, and you know, because headaches can be so life-changing.
I have people ask me all the time about the different help that you've given to people, to me in one, with the neck injuries and all that. And headaches is one of them. Can she help me with that? You know, I have headaches all the time. Can she help me? Certainly, give her a go. And then I get message back later on, she's wonderful. She did a great job. Even the first visit just really gave me a lot of relief.
Yeah, and so in headaches, headaches can be a big cause of distress and tension and worry in people, because you know, you just once you have that pattern and it's not going away, you might be stuck on a medication that you don't want to be on, and you may have some side effects from that medication. A lot of the medications that they're giving now for migraines can cause numbness and tingling out into your arms and hands. And
wow.
I know if you can do things naturally without a pill, that's really what you want to try to do. You know, chiropractic first, medications second, drugs and surgery, those types of things last. And the more you can do more natural things to help your body without having to take take a pill. You know what people say to me is like, "You're not going to give me another pill, are you?" And I'm like, "Look, in chiropractic, we don't give pills. Isn't that great?"
You don't do that. I know that.
So the patients are always relieved to know that we're not going to give them another pill, because they come in here, they're already taking pills and they don't want more pills, and they just want to feel better. And so we offer them something different, a way to feel better without having to take another pill, without having to go get shots. So many people get shots in their neck, the Botox shots, and they have to get them all in their face and different places like that. And why? What it's doing is it's causing the nerves and the muscles to calm down. We can do that naturally, without the drugs, without surgery, and those things are last resort for if you haven't responded, to treatment. And so many people get those and they've never even tried chiropractic care. They don't even know that chiropractic can help with those headaches.
No, as you said before, they think chiropractic has to do your back and your spine and all this stuff and getting all that in alignment. But pretty much as we've seen so many times, as you've shown, so many parts of your body, I mean, it's all kind of connected together.
And one thing I know for sure is that chiropractic is the safest form of treatment that you can have for your body. It's safer than any over-the-counter medication that you can take. It's safer than any prescribed medication that you can take. It's the safest form of treatment that there is. And so thinking about safe forms of health care for your body and, side effects and long-term effects of medication, it's just the natural choice, that you're going to want to get that relief without having to do something invasive.
Definitely. And again, it all starts, in the neck area. I mean, there's so many different headaches that we find out about that we actually have. And as you said, instead of trying to mask it with medication, because then you're going to end up, it'll come back, you're going to mask it more. Get to the root of the problem, come and see you, and get some relief and get, on the road to getting it fixed that the fix is permanent, not just a Band-Aid, so to speak.
Not just a Band-Aid. And, a lot of times someone is doing something repetitively, and either in their job or in their home life, that we can help them make some positive changes so they don't have to keep repeating that. So we look at the whole person, not just, how they're feeling, what can I do to help this person get better today, but what can I do to help this person overall have a healthier, better quality of life.
And if you remember, we did that segment on TechNet.
That's right. That's right.
I'll go back to that. If you'd like some more information, or if you're having some problems with headaches or anything like that, the number's on your screen. The office of Dr. Sonia Spencer is located right off of Pash Road in Gulfport, across from Pash Road Elementary. That's just west of Hardy Court. Make an appointment. Come in today. Get some relief from your headache.